Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we're going to be trying out this marker airbrush kit that I found at Hobby Lobby, $22. Come on in, let's check it out and see what it's all about. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today. All right, well first let's take a look at this thing. Well, it says a marker airbrush kit. Pretty cool. It was only $22. I found it at Hobby Lobby. A friend brought this and demonstrated at our club meeting the other day. And I was like, wow, I have to have that and try it for myself. This is everything includes all these markers, different nozzles, a recharging cable, rechargeable lithium battery inside. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right, this is what you get in your kit. Here's the little book here. And it tells how to use it. Pretty basic stuff here. You just put the marker in and pull the trigger and that's it. And it comes with a rechargeable battery that's not serviceable. It's made into it with a charging cord right there. Extra tip. And then the money that you spend on the kit is worth it in these markers. Great stuff. Here's the unit. There you go, right there. Let's go ahead and try it here live on camera. Let's grab a color. Let's see what we got here. Let's try that, open her up. Let's try that green. You just put the marker in here like that. Lock her down. And I got this hubcap here we'll try. Well, here we go. Simple as that. Isn't that cool? That's neat stuff. Let's grab a different color here. You can change it very quickly. I don't know. Here, let's try this this orange and see what happens. That's something. Here I got another wheel here. We'll try that. Wow, look at that one. Isn't that crazy? Neat stuff. And it's really simple to use. Charges under there. Cool product. And the money that you pay for it, 22 bucks, that's a heck of a bargain. I'm not sponsored by Hobby Lobby or anything like that. I just saw this product. A friend brought it to the club meeting and I was like, I had to have my own. So I wanted to show my viewers, you guys are the best people ever. Here's a couple other pieces that I did. I did this purple bumper just to try it out, see how it worked. That's pretty cool. And look at the red. That'd be neat for like red valve covers, wouldn't it? Cool stuff. I'm excited. This is a new product. We're going to try it out here on the channel some more. Maybe in a couple videos down the road when we try out some stuff. I appreciate everybody watching. And as always, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.